Ola, camaradas, despois de 3 meses canda testosterona, a miña voz non sinto que mudara moito, pero xógame algunha mala pasada. Non sempre son malas pasadas, ás veces levo sorpresas e as cousas sonan ben, pero vou comparar neste vídeo a ver que tal sonan cancións que antes sonaban ben, no mesmo tono.
I've been walking through a world gone blind.
I've been walking through a world gone blind.
Can't stop thinking of your diamond mind.
I can't stop thinking of your diamond mind.
Careful creature made friends with time.
A careful creature made friends with time.
He left her lonely with a diamond mind and those ocean eyes.
He left so lonely with a diamond mind, those ocean eyes.
No fair. You really know to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I'm never falling from quiet desire, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes. No fair.
You really know to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I'm never falling for quite as high, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes. Eu creo que está ben.
Moon River,
Moon River,
wise as an animal. I'm crossing you and stop someday.
wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in south someday.
Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way.
Oh, dream maker, you heart breaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way.
Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of words to say.
Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of words to say.
We're after the same rainbow's end. Wait around the bend, huckleberry friend.
We're after the same rainbow's end. Went around the bend, huckleberry friend.
Moon River,
Moon River, and be Moon River, Moon River, Moon River, and be Moon River, Moon River, Moon River, and me. Moon River, Moon River, Moon River, and me. Non noto moito cambio. En termos prácticos. Xusto estaba editando o vídeo e agora sí que creo que noto algún cambio. Non sei se é no timbre moi lixeiramente, pero sí que nos graves creo que están máis asentados agora e que sonan máis chill. Pouco máis que contar. Non sei. A nivel vocal, a veces síntome raro, pero non sei que parte disto é imaginación miña, que parte disto é algo real. De momento vai sendo paulatino. Eu deixo aí. a comparación. Veña, outra. Vémonos noutra, camaradas.